Journalism is undergoing a titanic transformation, and you are a part of it.
Around 9:20 a.m. Eastern Time.
After a decade of consolidation in local TV, radio, and newspapers.
Last month, PEN America released a report detailing the loss of local news coverage in communities across the United States.
Media organizations are flourishing anew. But journalism doesn't only mean politics.
Behind me is the Barrio Glassworks studio, where anyone can learn the craft of glassblowing.
The news is found in every interest imaginable.
Pink Helmet Posse learned how to skate right here in Encinitas at the YMCA skate park.
If you're a broadcast or media teacher, you can empower students with the understanding that journalism is about curiosity, investigation, and ultimately about what you learned.
I'm here at the Delmar Fairgrounds, where there's a giant reptile expo with hundreds of reptiles.
We designed EditMentor's broadcast journalism course to transform newcomers from a person holding a mic to a powerful professional.
Reporting for CHS TV, I'm Adam Pomar.
Through 100 interactive challenges, students rebuild a professionally produced news package about CoLab Studios, a photography rental house for creatives of color to learn and make art.
There you go.
The course is built in collaboration with Douglas Green, a California Teacher of the Year, and reporter Erin Clarke.
That's by design.
You'll learn interview techniques.
Being photographed by people who don't necessarily know your story or understand your story, you also tend to be portrayed in a way that isn't actually what you want to be portrayed as.
How to write and deliver stand-ups.
Car accident that happened about 2 nights ago at 5:19 p.m.
And how to follow the Say Dog, See Dog B-roll strategy.
We cut them, we proof them, we fry them, we cool them, we glaze them.
Our curriculum team incorporated reporting from Carlsbad High School students throughout the course, helping young journalists imagine themselves within each lesson.
But for Macy Markham, waiting on tables and seating guests is a family affair.
At the end of the course, students download the CoLab footage and practice rebuilding a news package. Professional reporters are essential to a free society. Our goal for this course is to inspire your students to become the next generation of journalists.